everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a bulk case for you guys of toys, games, dolls, stuffed animals. It's brand new stuff. You want to see what's inside? So do I. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, like I said, it's a Bulq.com of brand new toys, games, dolls, stuffed animals. 42 separate items in here. Brand new means easy to list. So I paid $118 for it, shipped it here for $30. $148 is what my total is, which makes each item average out to be $3.52. Shall we see what's inside? Let's do that. All right, so we're going to get this online reselling going and keep moving along. So unfortunately, for those of you who knew that I was planning on going to ASD Market Week, we are no longer planning on that just because of the craziness of going on in the world right now. So we just it's been canceled, yes. So that's why. Wow, that is full to the brim. I'm excited. Alrighty. So the cool thing too is this stuff. Even if I can't sell everything on Amazon.com, I can definitely put it in my boys and girls mystery boxes at hookedonpickin.com. So this is Guava Toys Slime Time. Guava Toys Slime Time. Looks like it was clearance down to $13. How much was it before that? Good night.
Everybody loves slime.
Everybody loves slime these days. And then this is a Color Spin Animate, Spin Your Art to Life. Look at this. See it? It's dancing. That's cool. And then here is a game, Z-Man Games. Rapid Response.
Hey look, it's Pandemic Rapid Response.
Pandemic.
It's a game about a pandemic, Heather.
Like the coronavirus? Yeah, our kids are pretty much totally off school from here on out for the next 2 weeks. Hopefully it doesn't last longer than that. And we'll be laughing about this video later that I got a pandemic rapid response game.
That was $40.
Yeah. All right, so this is Frozen 2. This is definitely not Amazonable. Let me show you why. Big old hole in the packaging. So this will go on to hookedonpickin.com for sure. I always try to discount things on hookedonpickin.com because my fees are not as high as Amazon is. So, oh my goodness, this is weird. It's some sort of a sand thing, but it's weird. Some kind of a weird, funky, foamy sand. Oh, it's like it's alive.
Oh, that's weird.
It's super weird. Hold on, I'm going to flip it over this way.
You just put it in the middle of the girls' room and see what they do.
Yeah. It's really gross. It's grossing me out. It's creepy. It's like Alien or something. All right. All right. We've got some of these. These are for sure going to go into the boys and girls mystery boxes. So this is basically cute little baby doll food. And then what is this? Flutter Friends. Flutter Friends. Pet Me, the wings flat, flower feeder, head moves, chirps and tweets. Responds to other Flutter Friends. We used to have...
What is that? Is that a...
hummingbird.
Give that to my mom.
Mom, you're going to get a new toy.
Her own personal hummingbird.
She can. Do you remember those birds we got that one year that used to talk to each other?
Yes.
Yeah, they would like mimic each other, kind of like a Furby, but in bird shape. All right. Oh, here's another creepy, weird foam dirt stuff. Foam, what is it called? Hold on. I'm going to try to take this sticker off and read what it is. Foam Active. Foam Alive. That's what it's called.
Alive, yeah.
Foam Alive. It does look like it's alive. Like it's growing other little foam creatures. Wow, there's a lot in here. Here's some Barbie. The Ken doll. Another one. Duplicates are always easy to list. And another one. So far, other than the Frozen doll, I see everything in good resellable condition. Let's see. What's this? Oh, look, it's Fozzie the bear.
Oh, I remember Fozzie.
Fozzie. He's fantastic.
He's shooting a chicken.
What? He is shooting a chicken. What is this? Rocket Twist Game Pack. Games and virtual pet activation key for Leapfrog.
Cool.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright, what else is in here? What's this? Aquaman.
Cool. That looks like it's got some kind of seal on it.
Marty Abrams presents Mego.
Is that like a
And
collector edition?
yeah, because look, it has a number on it. My guess is it's a collector edition.
What number is it?
Because this looks like the original cartoon. It's not the new Aquaman with that one guy that we used to watch on Stargate Atlantis. Ronan, that's who he was. Ronan Dex on Stargate Atlantis. All right.
What's his name?
I don't know what his name is.
I knew it. Jason.
Jason something. Yeah, I think it is Jason something. I don't know. Put it in the comment section so we won't rack our brains about it too much longer.
Aquaman.
Yeah. That is giant Pikachu. Pikachu.
Is that the detective, that movie? Probably?
Yeah, Pikachu Pet Detective. He's huge.
Pet detective?
Yes, it is Pet Detective. Pikachu Pet Detective. I should show this to my son. He used to be big into Pokemon. He's kind of old now, but I should show it to him just for fun.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, here's another one of those spinny ones. Spin your artwork. That's cool. If you go slower, does it do things? It's like clapping and doing stuff like that. Alrighty. This is Busy Bubs. I crawl talk like a real baby. If a real baby was that small and it was crawling around, that would be freaky.
Does that say I'm poopy?
Where are you reading it? Oh yes, it does say I'm poopy. Let me see. It says, I talk and giggle. Wow, watch me crawl and dance. Feed me my bottle. I'm sleepy. And it says I'm poopy.
I'm poopy.
Okay.
That's awesome.
Pooping baby dolls. That's what you want in your life. All right. A whole dish set for girls.
Perfectly cute.
Perfectly cute dish set. All right. Another Barbie soccer team. Here's another guy. Let's see what else.
You like the condition so far?
I love the condition. Oh, here's some more Pandemic. This is
I wonder if that game will be
popular now
popular now.
because because we're in a legitimate pandemic.
It might be.
I hope we can laugh about this video later and that it's not like, oh.
We're gonna be fine.
Yes. Well, at least I know Jesus is my Savior, so I know I'm going to heaven. All right. Another one of those.
Perfectly cute.
Perfectly cute dish set. LOL. Call all four. How to play. Press the character into ball. Press the ball. Pass the ball around hot potato style. Whoever's holding the ball when the character pops out is out. So it's basically an LOL version of hot potato. So I have two of those. I don't know if I showed the first one. I just threw it over on the table. All right. Here's another one of these. Ooh, look at this. Food truck. Restaurant. Pocket watch. Ryan's World. Does it have that's a very angry panda.
Is that a cartoon that maybe we don't know about?
Yeah, maybe.
Ryan's World.
Ryan's World.
Which
It's probably a YouTuber because that's pretty much
It could
replaced
be.
TV. This is a very angry panda. Is there an angry panda?
Kind of looks like he's got an
He is having a day. Awesome. That's kind of cool. I like that.
Almost done.
Almost done. Another one of these. Another one of these. Yeah, I hope so. You know, we could scan them on this video just to give us a glimpse. So we'll scan that guy that we have multiples of before we even finish. Let's do it right now. Okay, I'm gonna go over here, get on my Amazon seller app, randomly start talking in an accent because I'm bored. All right, let's see here. Scan away. Okay. Barbie Fashionista doll. Preppy florals. He's got a great sales rank, but he's not going for a lot. Let's see. After fees, we can make $327, which is about break even of what we paid per item. We paid $352, so it's about break even. But if I break even on this, but make money on this and this, then I'll be doing good. And I know I'll probably make money on this guy. So.
Will he scan by chance?
Yeah, he's got a barcode. Let's see. We'll see if we have any positive info here.
The movie was fairly popular, wasn't it?
Yeah, we never watched it because our kids aren't that age. Nope, he did not scan.
Didn't scan. I bet you he'll look up the...
I want to look up this guy right here, the Aquaman. All right. This Aquaman figurine. Hey, this is going. Limited edition collector's item. I mean, it's not a crazy, but $12 after fees.
Yeah.
So I think we're going to make money on this one for sure. I'll make back all the money that I spent on it, which was $148. IQ Puzzler. Easy to expert challenges. Here, I'll put this down on the table. That looks really cool. All right, then we have another one of these hot potato games for LOL. And then perforated punny cars. They're Valentine's, but I think they're very punny. They're so punny. I pick you.
Awesome. That is so awesome.
I wonder what this other one says. Like, I want to read them all. If they're not worth a lot of money on the listing video, we're going to take them out and read them all and figure out what they all are. Because that'd be fun. Oh, look, here's another one. Oh, look, here's a different one. I love hanging with you. You're a possum Valentine. Oh my goodness. These would have been perfect Valentines for our son if he was little enough to give out Valentines.
I think they do that in high school.
No, they don't. They do what's called cookie grams. And I was shocked that my son didn't, he doesn't give them out. He's like, I'm not into all that drama. So this one is an Our Generation. So Our Generation is the Target version of the knockoffs of the American Girl doll. I believe that, I'm trying to remember what the Walmart one is called.
Baby Alive.
No, Baby Alive are the little babies. My Doll or something like that. Anyway, the Our Generation is the Target one. So this is the little puppies that go with those little 18-inch dolls. Here's another one of those IQ Puzzler games. Another one of these guys. Another one of these guys. What is this? Cereal Madness. Fruit Yums, Cookie Craves, Cocoa Crunch, Honey Bites, Crazy Cool add-ins. Ready Play. It's slime. There's a bunch of different kind of flavors of slime. All right. My Generation dolls. No, that's Our Generation. I'm trying to remember the Walmart brand. All right. Squishy Ball. Squishies are always popular. So this stuff, some of this little stuff may go into our mystery boxes. Oh, here's one of those IQ ones, but with stars. Can you fit all the stars in the grid? Well, that would be hard to do. Nice. All right. So then there's a Royal Snowball Hatchimal. There's a Hatchimal in there. And then a lot of times these little things go in our mystery boxes. Here's a Jurassic World mystery pack. And we got one more thing in here. This, I think, goes right here. Yep, the lid. All right, and then here is a My Little Pony. So a lot of these small things are going to definitely go into our mystery boxes, and anyone who has bought a mystery box from us knows it is packed to the brim. They're $24.99. I'm actually running a sale right now, 10% off if you use the code HOOK10, and that's only for this week up to Thursday. So this video is going to go live on a Monday, and so you have until Thursday to get 10% off as long as you buy 2 or more items. So you can always look and see if I got a promo code going on. I usually put it down in the link in the description. But really, really great condition. This is the only one that makes me sad because this is totally crushed, and I mean, it's a clean cut, but what I'll probably do is put this on hookedonpickin.com. Since it's still brand new in box, it's just this part is kind of messed up. We'll put a piece of tape on there so it doesn't get ruined in shipping, but I'll take a picture of it for Hooked on Pickin' so you know exactly what kind of condition that's in. But everything else I think is going to go straight to Amazon unless it's restricted or there's no listing on Amazon, and then if there's no listing on Amazon, I will probably for sure put it on hookedonpickin.com. So watch the listing video to see where each toy is being put, so you know where to buy it, and go to Hooked on Pickin' and buy a boys and girls mystery box, because some of these little toys and even some of the bigger ones, I put toys as large as this and this inside of mystery boxes, you know, just to make it really enticing. If you want specifics in your mystery boxes, you can always email me at hookedonpickin.com. I love to do kind of, if I know the age range, it helps me build a perfect box for your child that you're looking for. So this has been a really fun unboxing because I love, love, love the condition. It's not going to take me long at all, probably I don't know, 30 minutes to list all of this, and that's totally batched out probably. So watch our listing video. It'll be linked down in the description of this video, and you can check it out. So hopefully it's been fun to watch this Bulq.com case unboxing of brand new items that I paid $148 for. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, Pikachu. Pikachu. All right, he wants you to go to hookedonpickin.com and check out the reseller helps, because he wants to find more of his friends in liquidation for you to resell and make a bunch of money. So go to hookedonpickin.com if you want to learn how to resell. I got a bunch of stuff, digital downloads, Poshmark e-books, stuff like that that you can learn to resell. You can also buy tumblers there, and of course, a lot of the stuff that you see me unbox is also available for sale there. Of course, watch more of my videos and subscribe if you're not a subscriber.